Hey guys, welcome to the Daily Devo. I'm Brent, and today we're going to discuss how God makes it all work for good. So early on in my marriage, my wife and I learned a very valuable lesson that we live by today. The lesson is simply this: it always works out. In Romans 8:28, Paul writes this, "And we know that God causes everything to work together for the good of those who love God and are called according to his purpose for them." I'll never forget my wife calling me one early afternoon, letting me know that she was on her way home because she had just lost her job. Not to mention that we had just closed on a house about a month earlier. The next several months, they were tough. We lived off ramen noodles, hot dogs, and potatoes. Bills were late, and we had no savings. And on top of all of that, this was our first year of marriage. But it was two passages of scripture that I rehearsed nearly every single day during that season. Romans 8:28 was one of them. And see, it was during this season that I got my first lesson on what it actually meant to trust God. You see, while things were financially and emotionally strained during that season, God was using that experience to make our faith in him strong. And in the end, it all worked out. Now, I'll be the first to admit that it didn't necessarily work out the way I wanted it to work out, but it worked out for my good. And today, I want to encourage you to remember this simple truth: it always works out. Now, I can't promise you that it'll work out today. I can't promise you that it'll work out in a year. But what I can promise you is that God is going to use what's happening in your life and cause it to work out for your good. It always works out.